KELIT Innovative Pipe Systems.
First, set the appropriate setting wheel with the dimension of the pipe to be worked on. Place the pipe in the pipe clamping plates without tightening. Now please clamp the form piece and support it with the fixing angle. Press and hold the distance button. Turn the one on the hand wheel to bring the slides together. As soon as the end of the pipe touches the form piece, release the distance button. Position the pipe tightly on the form piece and clamp it in place. Separate the slides and fold the welding mirror into place. From the chart, look up the appropriate warm-up time for the pipe dimension. Set the timer accordingly. To heat up both pieces, bring both slides back together until they are stopped by the mirror block. Now begins the warm-up phase. After the heat-up time is over, immediately separate the slides and fold back the welding mirror. To complete the welding process, bring the slides back together until being stopped by the dimension selector. As soon as the welded bead is hard, the pipe clamping plates can be released. Remove the welded piece. Please pay attention to the cooling down time, which you can read from the chart, after which the pipe can be used at its full capacity.
KELIT Innovative Pipe Systems.